Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to the channel, and today we're unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's get right into it. So this unboxing sadly was done in the store itself. The store had policies that the phone had to be unboxed and set up in the store itself to check for any manufacturing defects. Anyway, so this is my friend's phone. It's the Prism Black 128GB version. Cost him about 74k Indian rupees. Weirdly enough, the phone launched 2 days early in India. The worldwide launch of the phone is on 8th of March. Now let's peel off the back plastic and finish setting up the phone. So this phone comes with a pre-installed screen protector which works with the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It also has plastic above that, so we'll peel that off too. Now let's set up the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and see how that works. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.